In this video, I will show you how to teach NOUNS Level 6 to an online class. Many teachers have to teach online because of COVID. NOUNS Level 6 has videos, worksheets, and games. All of the materials are online. Give worksheets to your students before class. You can put them on Google Drive or send them with Line. Students can download and print the worksheets or ask someone to help them. You could also print the worksheets and give to your students before class. If you use Zoom, you can show the worksheets without printing them. Students can write the words on a blank sheet of paper. The videos are on YouTube. Students can watch them at home or in a classroom.
This video covers NOUNS Level 6, Lesson 5, Car Parts. You can download
In Section 1, students should say each word out loud twice.
website, california-accent.com. Look for 600 nouns.
All the words are spoken by an American from California, so you don't have to worry about your pronunciation.
Let's start Section 1. Say each word after you hear it. Bumper,
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 brakes,
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 brakes.
In Section 2, students should write each word in Thai.
Now let's do some writing. In Section 2, you should write each word in Thai. If you don't have a worksheet, you can just use a sheet of paper. Pause the video until you complete this activity.
In Section 3, students should write each word in English.
In Section 3, you should write each word in English. If you don't have a worksheet, you can just use a sheet of paper. Pause the video until you complete this activity.
In Section 4, students should circle the correct spelling.
Now let's do the spell section. If you have the worksheet, you can circle the correct answer. If you don't have the worksheet, you can just point to the right answer. Bumper, brakes, brake lights, now let's do the label section. Write the word next to the picture.
In Section 5, students should label the photos.
Tire, exhaust pipe, tail light, mirror, fuel level, speedometer.
In Section 6, students should repeat each sentence after they hear it.
Now let's do the read section. Say each sentence after you hear it. We need new brakes.
We need new brakes.
We need new tires.
We need new tires.
We need more gas.
We need more gas.
In Section 7, Students should scan the QR code with their phone. Now they can play NOUNS Level 6.
Now it's time to play. Scan this code with your phone. Then go to kids.california-accent.com. Look for Nountown Level
All
6.
students should keep playing the game after class. This is their homework.
Bye-bye.
NOUNS Level 6.
You should repeat sections 1, 2, and 3 later in the week.
Breaks.
Yes.
If you follow these steps, your students will learn 24 nouns every week.
Good.
If you complete 28 lessons, your student will learn over 600 nouns. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have suggestions for other videos, please let us know. Thank you.
No.